Hello students, so yesterday you have studied about the uses of forest and today you are going to study about the types of forest. How many types of forests are there in India? Mainly 5 types of forest, that is tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, thorny bushes and shrubs, they are also known as thorn forest, mangrove forest which are also known as tidal forest, and fifth one is mountain forest. First one is your tropical evergreen forest. These forests remain green throughout the year. They don't have any fixed time to shed their leaves. Mainly trees you will find here: ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, cinchona, and many others. They don't have a fixed time, so every time you will see that greenery is there. Trees shed their leaves but not at a particular time. कभी कोई सा tree shed कर देता है, कभी कोई सा tree. So like this always the greenery remains in these areas. Mainly the animals you'll find here: elephants, lemur, monkey, deer, one-horned rhinoceros, the jungle of West Bengal and Assam, and many of birds and many other animals. Next one is your deciduous forest. Deciduous forests they are having a fixed time to shed their leaves. Mainly you will widespread in forest of India. Mainly you will find these forests. Main trees कौन से होते हैं? teak, sal, पीपल, नीम, etc. bamboos, sal, शीशम, sandalwood, kher, kusum, arjun, mulberry are the commercially important species of this region. मीन्स दे उनका एक जो ऑटम या विंटर सीजन में वो अपनी लीव शेड कर देते हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट एज द spring season comes, then summers, then रेनी सीजन वो ग्रीन बिल्कुल ग्रीन हो जाते हैं. दिस फॉरेस्ट मेनली लायन, टाइगर, पिग, डियर एंड ह्यूज वेराइटी ऑफ लिजर्ड, स्नेक, टॉर्टोइज आर ऑल्सो फाउंड. नेक्स्ट वन इज थॉर्न बुशेस एंड श्रब्स मीन्स थॉर्नी फॉरेस्ट. ये आपको मेनली डेजर्ट एरिया में मिलेंगे, and these areas are having scarcity of water, so large trees you will not find in these area. Mainly main trees are means picture you will see that these type of trees you will find not very large. एक आध कोई tree होता है, mainly कीकर, बबूल, all these things you will find here, and thorny shrubs, छोटे छोटे plants होते हैं. In these forests common animals: rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wildlife, horses and camels you will find. Next one is mangrove forest, which are also known as tidal forest. Mainly you will find near the coast, जहाँ पे रिवर्स एंड हो रही होती हैं सी में जाके. बेसिन होता है, मेनली बेसिन के आसपास गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र डेल्टा. सुंदरी ट्रीज आर फाउंड विच प्रोवाइड ड्यूरेबल हार्ड टिम्बर, पाम, ये सारी ट्रीज आपको इस एरिया में मिलते हैं. मार्शी लैंड होता है, बहुत दलदल वाला जगह, तो वहाँ मेनली बहुत वैरायटी ऑफ एनिमल्स नहीं मिलती है मार्शी, क्योंकि ये आपको लैंड बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियर नहीं होता है. ये गोदावरी, गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन के जो डेल्टाज हैं वहाँ पे आपको ये वाले ट्रीज़ मिलेंगे. Main animals of these regions are Royal Bengal tiger is famous animal in these forests. Turtle, crocodile, gharials and snakes are also found in these forests. Next one is mountain forest. There you can write mountain forest or coniferous forest also. They are also known as coniferous. Why? Because trees of this region are cone shaped. Mainly main trees are spruce, fir, cedar, deodar, pine and many medicinal plants also you will find in these areas. People here in these areas mainly you will find coniferous forest. क्यों cone shaped forest क्यों होते हैं? Because so that when the winter season comes and ice falls, that does not settle on the trees. So you will see that these types of trees you will find in the mountain forest area. You can see the picture. They are okay, all these forests, all these trees you will find in these area. Mainly in the Himalayan region you will find these types of forest. animals mainly you'll find are Kashmiri stag, spotted deer, sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, and many other red panda sheep, many other types of plants. But why these forests are disappearing? Because of deforestation. Means day by day people are going on doing deforestation and many other things. So tomorrow I'll tell you about the conservation of forest. Thank you for today.